Hello students, welcome back to our lesson number 5, Ice in the Forest. So in previous video what we have seen an ice block in the middle of the forest. हमने एक ice block देखा था forest के middle में, and the Lion King said that whoever bring out these gems will be the next king. वो क्या बनेगा? Next जंगल का राजा बन जाएगा. So what did all animals do? They just tried for breaking this ice. Elephant has used his trunk, tiger has used his claws, and monkeys they throwed bananas and stones at the block. But what happened at the end? सब लोगों क्या हो गए? एक दूसरे एनिमल्स को ही हर्ट हो गया. बट आइस ब्लॉक को कुछ हुआ क्या? नथिंग. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट साइड. टुडे वी विल बी रीडिंग द नेक्स्ट साइड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Page number 51. Suddenly someone said, "Look, something moving inside the block." And तभी किसी ने तो बोला, देखो देखो कुछ मूवमेंट हो रही है. Something is moving in the ice block. Something was scampering in the middle of the block, right next to James. What do you mean by scampering? It means running with quick, short, light step. So what did he said? What the animal said? Look, कुछ तो चल रहा है अंदर. Someone is scampering. It means झटसे से जाकर आ रहा है बाहर बार बार. Just right next to the James. कहाँ पर? जहाँ पर जेम्स अटके वहाँ पे कुछ तो चल रहा है. Something is moving. It's the vessel and she has the treasure. A monkey exclaimed. And उस एनिमल को किसने पहचाना? मंकी ने. Monkey said, अरे ये तो vessel है. She is the vessel. And look, she is having treasure in her hand. The vessel emerged from the bottom end of the ice block, holding some gems. And तभी कौन बाहर आई? Vessel बाहर आई. And she was having gems. उसके पास treasure था, है कि नहीं? हीरे थे अपने हाथ में. Everyone was surprised and wanted to know how she got inside. The vessel told them that she took some time to observe the block and think about the problem. So everyone was very surprised. सबने कितनी मेहनत की थी ना? Yes, हमने देखा था on the page number 50. All were just using their strength. है कि नहीं? सबने अपना जोर लगाया. But block को कुछ हुआ? Nothing. So everyone was surprised. How did this small wild animal had done the big thing? So what did Vessel said? That she had observed. Observe means watch carefully. पहले उन्होंने क्या किया था? Vessel ने क्या किया था? प्रॉब्लम को अच्छी तरह से ऑब्जर्व किया था. शी हैड वॉच्ड केयरफुली एट द ब्लॉक एंड देन शी थॉट व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. आई रियलाइज दैट द ब्लॉक वॉज टू हार्ड टू बी ब्रोकन. सो व्हाट डिड वेसल सेड? मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया दैट ब्लॉक इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक इट. राइट, व्हाट शी रियलाइज दैट द ब्लॉक इज टू हार्ड. ब्लॉक बहुत मजबूत है, वो इतनी आसानी से टूटने वाला है क्या? नो. सो I concluded. Concluded means decided something as a result. So what did Vessel decided at the end? सब चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद वेसल ने लास्ट में क्या कंक्लूड किया, क्या डिसाइड किया? That the only way to get inside was by burning a hole from underneath the block. So what did Vessel said? At the end I have decided for getting inside what I will do? I will just burn a hole from underneath. Underneath means under or below. So what she have done? She have decided to just burn a hole from the underneath the block. The vessel explained. अब उसने कैसे किया? उसने अपनी आइडिया तो बताई, but how it had worked? She decided to dug a tunnel below the ice. The vessel explained, I dug a tunnel below the ice block. Then I lit a small fire at the end of the tunnel. The fire melted a hole in the ice above. Then I crept inside and got the gems, the vessel added. So what did vessel said? Then I had made a plan. I had dug a tunnel down. है कि नहीं? Ice block के नीचे. Look in the picture, students. Look carefully. You can see here a mud. है कि नहीं? मिट्टी देख सकते हो. So what did vessel decided? That I have decided to dug under the block. Block के नीचे से dig करने का plan किया. And then what she have done? She had lighted some fire at the end of the tunnel and the ice it got melted. Because of fire ice melt हो गया, है कि नहीं? फायर के पास अगर हम आइस रख दो तो वो मेल्ट हो जाता है ना, फिर से पानी पानी बन जाता है. इन द सेम वे Vessel said that I had lit the fire at the end of the tunnel and the ice melted, and then slowly she crept inside. She crept inside and got the gems out. The lion was very impressed and declared that the vessel would be the queen of the forest after him. And the Lion King, he was very happy that Vessel, she had used her brain. है कि नहीं? Vessel ने भी बाकी animals की तरह क्या किया? No. First she had observed and then she had acted. So Lion said that the vessel will be the queen of the forest after lion, that is after me. The small vessel taught everyone that jumping into action without thinking leads to nothing. छोटी सी vessel ने क्या सिखाया सबको? That if there is any problem we should not directly jump into it. Directly सब ऐसे ही कूद जाना है क्या? No. We should think about the problem first. If we observe and think about the problem, we are likely to solve the problem. What did Vessel thought? That we should always think about the problem first, observe it carefully and then solve it. Okay. So what was our lesson about? Our lesson was about think and then act. And Vessel, the little wild animal, small animal, what it had taught to other animals, that before jumping into the action, before jumping into the problem, you should always think about the problem, observe it carefully and then think of the solution. That is, उसका बाद में ढूंढना चाहिए कि क्या कैसे solve कर सकते हैं problem. So students, here we are ending up with our lesson. और हमने lesson से क्या सीखा है? What we have learned? That we should think before we act. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to read this lesson. Okay. Bye bye.